Meaning of humdrum.
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 Humdrum. The word humdrum is an adjective that describes something dull, monotonous, or lacking in excitement. It is often used to describe everyday routines or repetitive tasks that can become tedious and boring over time. Something that is described as humdrum is usually lacking in variety or interest, and may be characterized by a lack of creativity or originality. Overall, humdrum refers to a sense of sameness or routine that can drain the energy and excitement out of life. It's a term that's often associated with boredom, monotony, and a lack of imagination.